Hey, good Tuesday morning, guys. It's your Tuesday morning sales tip. One of the things this is a productivity hack. One of the things that I have found is if I'm constantly sending out the same messages to my prospects, over and over, to save me some time, I set up text templates. And let me show you how to do that. So you're gonna, first of all, go to your settings, click on General. You're gonna then click on Keyboard, find your text replacement. Top right, you're gonna click on the plus. And then in the phrase, you're gonna type in what it is that you wanna say. So for example, for the purposes of this example, we're gonna put in, thank you so much for spending some time with me on the phone recently. I look forward to the opportunity to serve you. Then in the phrase, we're gonna type in TY. It's gonna be short for thank you. We're then gonna go to text messages, like we're gonna send out a message. We're gonna find our recipient, and then in the message field, we're simply going to type TY. And that template that you just set up is automatically going to appear. It's gonna save you a lot of time, so use this productivity hack. Set these up in your settings, your text replacement, and it'll save you a lot of time and automate some of your follow-up. So again, productivity hack, happy selling, happy helping, go be great.